The Space I/O House. The I/O House by Space is a futuristic residential alternative that operates independently from the traditional grid. All necessary amenities, encompassing water, power, heating, and internet connectivity, are incorporated and entirely self-sufficient. The bulk of the necessary power is accumulated in solar cells, fueled by rooftop solar modules, complemented by a traditional generator supplementing these solar cells and energizing the house. An effective air control system that identifies carbon dioxide concentrations is also in place. To enhance its impressive sustainability, there are electric air-to-air heat pumps to warm the house as gas-fueled heaters for hot water supply, coupled with systems for purifying fresh water that can store water supply for a month, and wastewater storage units hidden beneath the floors. This sets the standard for green living. Made from only top-notch materials, the construction quality and eco-friendly design culminate in a posh yet environmentally considerate dwelling. The living sphere extends to you the pinnacle of modern-day facilities while leaving the smallest possible carbon footprint. You have everything you need to manage and supervise your domicile's functions right at your fingertips. With the large roof-to-floor windows, it is the ideal choice for those who love the morning sunshine. The cutting-edge systems facilitate global accessibility from over 70 nations. The living quarters measure 645 square feet, or 60 square meters, and are priced between $197,500 to $310,000. Modular Home Tita Dickinson Homes. Modular homes aren't a specific architectural style or design. Instead, they represent an innovative way of constructing residences. In this method, the house is fashioned in sections at a separate location, and once these sections are assembled on-site on the foundations, they perfectly replicate the intended design. Holding the top spot for designing and building unique modular residences across Michigan, Wisconsin, and eastern Minnesota is Dickinson Homes. They consistently push the envelope of what can be achieved with modular buildings, while also enhancing their sustainability and energy efficiency attributes. Each home is meticulously custom-made to meet the particular requirements and wishes of clients, and the unique characteristics of the location are always taken into consideration. Clients are able to share their own designs and ideas, completely revamp one of their current designs, or team up with Dickinson to conceive an entirely new design from scratch. Incredibly, they guarantee that any item available in the general market can be integrated into their tailor-made design. The Tita also comes with an exclusive 15-year structural warranty. The Tita template embodies the sleek charm of modern existence with its emphasis on open space architecture. It boasts 1,100 square feet, or 102 square meters, integrating 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, all structured around a large and welcoming open-plan kitchen and lounge area. The layout effortlessly blends indoor and outdoor environments through the passages of the living area and main bedroom. What's more, this model is adaptable enough to easily incorporate additional features, such as a screened veranda. The house can also be outfitted with solar panels, allowing nature to take over. Each modular part weighs 1,322 pounds, or 600 kilograms, meaning it can be situated anywhere without needing a foundation. Despite this, it remains sturdy enough to withstand the elements and last for generations. Price-wise, you're looking at between $200 and $240 per square foot. It's significant to mention that Dickinson Homes only caters to individuals in the areas we've mentioned, and buyers who reside outside of Dickinson County might encounter prices way above these. Container Home Honomobo. Honomobo has elevated the trend of transforming shipping containers into homes to an exciting new height. They are devoted to designing these homes with meticulous attention to detail, durability, and sustainability, while also ensuring easy installation. Their innovative take on container homes reimagines them with a contemporary flair. Essentially, it's a glass sanctuary exuding a high degree of modernity, which can be assembled in a mere 10 to 12 weeks. Currently, it's a more economical option compared to alternatives like constructing a petite cabin, but that doesn't mean it skimps on luxury. The entire assembly can be conveniently fitted within a shipping container, crafted in a factory and fashioned from robust steel. These homes are designed with an obsessive eye for endurance. Our floor plans come with predetermined options for finishing touches and enhancements, providing just the right amount of flexibility to tailor the home to your liking without hindering the efficiency of factory construction. This approach assures predictability in terms of both cost and timeline. Internally, the layout is thoughtfully designed to include all necessary amenities. Space has been smartly smartly optimized to accommodate all facilities without giving the home a cramped feeling. The rooms feature wall-length closets built into them, offering endless possibilities for personalizing the space according to your taste. Hailing from Canada, Hanamobo is a company that also extends its services to specific regions in the northwestern United States. The areas they are accredited to operate in include British Columbia, Alberta, California, and Washington. Each home they build is guaranteed to meet local building codes, as they are all certified under the status of local factory-built modular homes. The installation methods employed by Hanamobo are quite unique in their H-Series homes. They use 2-pound or 0.9 kilograms polyurethane closed-cell foam, while the M-Series homes are insulated with structurally insulated panels. This innovative approach to insulation eliminates air gaps and impairs air transfer, ensuring that the house stays cool during summer and retains warmth in the winter. The company offers 4 different modules in this series, with the prices varying based on the size of the home. The cost can be anywhere between $98,000 and $230,000. Zoom Home Unity. The Zoom marks Unity's innovative design frontier with simplified aesthetics and forceful geometric shapes. The open concept kitchen, living, and dining space is given a sense of vastness through towering ceilings held up by visible wooden beams. Big windows offer a glimpse of the outside world while allowing natural sunlight to filter in. Above window sunshades are instrumental in maintaining a cool environment within the home. During the hot summer months, Zooms are available in various sizes, ranging from a compact 1,000 to a spacious 1,800 square feet or 92 to 167 square meters. The smallest model offers a single bedroom while the largest can comfortably accommodate 4. Thanks to its single-story layout and distinct division between public and private areas, the Zoom has found favor among people interested in downsizing. The strategic placement of bedrooms at opposite ends of the main living area ensures they serve as personal retreats. The finished cost for a Zoom house starts at approximately $530,000. With the House app, your phone becomes a remote control for your entire home. Entry to the house requires a password, making it secure yet convenient. Aside from this feature, it functions and appears just like any other dwelling, with one significant difference: you can place it wherever you desire. The residence is also equipped with solar panels, offering eco-friendly and replenishable power. Additionally, a generator is in place to assist the solar batteries and supply electricity. To further enhance its eco-efficiency, the property features a top-notch water purification system and an advanced wastewater management apparatus. Prefab X PTH House. Introducing the Prefab X, a marvel of architecture that utilizes German passive house technology, which promises an energy saving of up to 70% compared to traditional housing methods. The homes are somewhat reminiscent of those DIY toys, where you assemble various parts to create the whole. It usually takes about 8 hours from start to finish. And what a fascinating process it is to watch. All the pieces are unfolded and jointed securely. The dwelling comes fitted with glass doors, and once expanded, it looks no less impressive than if it were built on site. The standard version offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 living room, and a kitchen at a price range between $16,000 and $22,000. It's built to stand the test of time with an estimated lifespan of about 50 years. It also boasts a nifty feature known as Smart Air technology. This advanced system manages not only the temperature but also the humidity, oxygen levels, cleanliness, and noise levels. It is built on an incredibly robust and strong foundation that is also durable and pollution-free. There's no need for cement pouring either. The house is designed to be a complete living solution with all the amenities you could ever wish for. In essence, it leaves nothing to be desired. The residence features a sink, a pair of sleeping quarters, a washroom that includes a shower, and integrated storage spaces. From an exterior perspective, it showcases robust and sturdy construction. Its architectural design is impressively forward-thinking and pared down to the bare essentials. Backyard home cover. Be it a workspace, a spot for guests, or a chic poolside retreat, Backyard Homes by Cover has a solution with its prefab homes. This Los Angeles-based enterprise offers an all-encompassing package, from design conception to building and installing their petite yet functional spaces. Client-specific designs are created using advanced software, which offers 3 sleek models to choose from, with a size range of 100 to 1,000 square feet, or 9.2 to 92 square meters. These buildings offer a minimalist haven, boasting floor floor-to-ceiling windows, top-tier appliances, and integrated bamboo cabinets. Once you have made up your mind on a particular design, the unit can be completed and ready for use in a remarkably short span of 3 months. These luxurious spaces redefine the concept of compact living with a touch of fun. You can opt for wall-to-wall windows and allow your room to bask in a flood of light and sweeping views. You can also tailor-make your integrated cabinets to cater to your requirements, and there is a mix of open and closed storage solutions to infuse a distinctive ambience into your space. The building materials are robust steel structures, fine hardwoods, composite finishes, and more, which are engineered and constructed to endure through the ages. In case any repair work is necessary, rest easy knowing you're covered by their lifetime structural warranty. Wickle House. This house is quite literally your personal canvas to paint on. Its inviting blueprint and luxury detailing make the Wickle House a haven of comfort. It's exclusively crafted from eco-friendly materials, marking its journey towards becoming a fully biodegradable dwelling. The house is composed of segments that are designed for effortless connection and disconnection. This modular design gifts the house with a flexibility akin to Lego. You're in charge of your own floor plan, with the freedom to modify it at will. The sky's the limit. The appealing aesthetics of wood, coupled with its sustainability account for its usage in 60% of the Wickle House's construction. Flax, another eco-friendly fiber used in the production of linen and fire hoses, also features in these homes. It serves as an effective insulator, muffling exterior noise and preserving the warmth within. This dwelling can be entirely moved, with every part included. There is no need for it to be torn down and reassembled at the new location. Even a crane could hoist it. The location choice is limitless. Live wherever your heart desires. Customize it to your liking without any boundaries. As you can see, the house design is strikingly minimalistic and makes optimal use of space. The price tag on the Wickle House can differ depending on the size, given the home is composed of segments, all measuring 11 by 15 by 4 feet, or 3.3 by 4.5 by 1.2 meters. There are standard purpose segments, but there are also specific function segments available for buyers to incorporate into their modular homes. For example, the home segment comes equipped with all the domestic amenities you might require, such as a kitchen, shower, and bathroom. When you factor in VAT, transportation, and installation costs, a Wickle House could reach a total cost of around $94,000 at its highest. However, the most rudimentary version of the property can be yours for just $33,000, positioning it as one of the most budget-friendly base designs of modular homes currently up for grabs in the marketplace. Regardless of the number of segments used to construct each home, they all have a minimum lifespan of approximately 50 years. If you enjoyed this video, click on the video on the right of the screen for more content like this.